Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a tulip bouquet using pipe cleaners. Look at these tulips. Full blooms, slender stems, and long leaves. The kit comes in purple and pink, so you can make tulips in either color. Or one tulip. You'll need petals, leaves, stem, floral tape, scissors, hot glue. For the leaves, 4 dark green pipe cleaners makes 2 leaves. Of the petals, 10 pink or purple pipe cleaners makes 4 petals. Tap waking the petals. Take 5 pipe cleaners to make 2 petals. Cut 3 pipe cleaners in half and fold them. Fold a full-length pipe cleaner in half. Then place the shorter ones inside. Flatten them neatly. Then twist the long one to secure. Ape the petal with a curve. Bending it about 2 centimeters from the base.
Trim any excess. One petal done. Repeat to make 4 petals. Key tips: keep the short pipe cleaners flat. Twist tightly. Keep the curves consistent for easier assembly. Step 2. Making the leaves. Take 2 green pipe cleaners, fold them, and cross them. Twist twice to secure. Then pinch the top to a point. Straighten any bends. At the base to 3 centimeters up. Twist a long pipe cleaner to hold everything. Trim excess. Make 2 leaves the same way. Step 3. Assembling the tulip. Gather all parts. Attaching the petals. Add hot glue to the base and sides of each petal. Careful head. Glue 2 petals together. Hold for 4 to 5 seconds. Add the third. Then the fourth, adjusting the curves so they fit neatly. Make sure the bottom stays flat. Adding the stem. Put hot glue on the stem tip. Then insert it 2 centimeters into the petals. Hold for 4 to 5 seconds to set. Attaching the leaves. Wrap floral tape around the stem. Use a dab of glue to start it. After 7-8 centimeters, add the first leaf with hot glue. Hold it in place. Then attach the second leaf opposite the first. Keep the stem slim. Don't overdo the glue. Stay safe. Finish wrapping the stem with floral tape. At the end, pull the tape tight to stick better, or use a tiny bit of glue. Done. One gorgeous tulip is ready. Repeat to make 10 tulips. Perfect for a bouquet. The kit has enough for 12, but 10 looks great. Final step. Wrapping the bouquet. Use the ribbon, white wrapping paper, and plastic bag from the kit. Lay out the paper. Arrange the tulips. Back row 4, middle 3, front 3. Tie the base with ribbon. Then slide on the plastic bag. And there you go, a beautiful pot cleaner tulip bouquet. Congratulations!